Hey, what is going on everyone? Thanks for tuning into this video. And today, as you can see here, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this i9-10900 non-K variant. Now I just got this from Micro Center, and no, the price is not $539, it's actually $439. It wasn't on sale or anything like that. Of course, they're always going to claim it's on sale. That's just the price of it right now. Now, I know I could have gotten the i9-10850K for $10 more, but the reason I got this is because I'm going to be installing this on a 2020-2017 iMac, which currently has the i7-10700K. I definitely want 10 cores, and I'm trying to cool it down as much as I can. So for those of you who know, this is a 65 watt chip, 65 watt TDP chip, excuse me. And this is gonna hopefully help us cool down the CPU while on that iMac. So the 10700K that it currently has a TDP of 125 watts. It pushes it all the way to 160. It peaks, for like a quick second at 160, but it hovers about 155 watts whenever I'm running like a Cinebench R15 or R20 benchmark. So hopefully we can, sustain higher clock speeds with this one here. This is very identical to the i9-10850K. The only difference is the base clock. This is rated at 2.8 gigahertz, and the 10850K is 3.6 gigahertz. That's it. That's the only difference. And of course, it being unlocked, the 850K, the 10850K is unlocked, but again, in an iMac, you're not able to overclock. So that's why I got this here. So for two reasons: to hopefully better have cooling solution for this with higher clock speeds, and the inability to overclock is the reason why I got this. So yeah, that was it. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So it's just like any other box, the same size and everything, like from the the 8400, 9400. It's gonna have the Intel stock cooler in it. I'm just curious to see. I thought I saw it had like a little bit different. Maybe just the sticker on top was a different color. Yep. So here we go. Oh, and here we go. Yes, we have that nice silver sticker on here that says i9 10th gen, which is pretty cool. And it has down, this is the paperwork on it. Just gonna put off to the side. And of course, we can see the CPU on here. So if this stands up straight, the little gaps are right there at the bottom as opposed to being on the top. So yeah, there you go. Now we have 1200 pin contacts back here. So cool. We'll put that off to the side. And now let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's the same box, same type of everything. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Look at that. So same type of paste that they pre-install on here. It feels a little bit heavier, but I'm gonna assume that's because of this copper. Hopefully, I don't know how deep that copper goes, but wow, that looks really, really nice. And over here, ooh, it doesn't spin as much as it did, but I don't hear any grinding or anything like that. Maybe it feels a little bit different. The plastic up here is different looking. Looks a lot more sleeker. See, this is something that looks, that'll look really nice, like on a basic build. Yeah. Oh, nice. And look at this. They finally decided to think about, the customers here instead of the, rainbow colored cables here. So very nice. Very nice. This thing would look very nice and sleek on a build. Yeah, definitely the plastics up here are different. A fan just feels a little bit, it slows down quicker, as you can see. But I don't hear any grinding or anything like that. I don't feel that there's something wrong with it. you know, like it's broken. It's just maybe different types of magnets or something like that. I would assume that. But man, look at that. Looks really, really nice. So yeah, is it worth it? I think so. I think it'd be pretty nice. Unfortunately, I won't be using this because yeah, I won't be using this because like I said, I'm gonna have the iMac, and yeah, so that's a bummer. But hey, we got to take a look at it. Will I keep it? Probably not. If I can make some money off of it to offset the costs a little bit better or more, I probably will sell it. But you know what we have here is we have the CPU, we have the sticker. Doesn't really matter, but hey, maybe I'll put it on the iMac or something like that, make it look pretty cool, to show that it has the i9, even though the sticker doesn't mean anything, but whatever. To some it does, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this. Now I hope you like that unboxing. I know I made it such a bigger deal, but I just wanted to talk about why I got it and what I'm going to do with it. So definitely subscribe to the channel because I will be making that video. Actually, I think it's going to take me a couple of days. Right now I'm going to go downstairs on the iMac and benchmark it just to show you where it's at, and you know, benchmark, and then also just more looking at the CPU temperatures. But yeah, so just definitely stay tuned. Definitely, that's what I'm trying to get at. Stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, ask any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I will catch you in that video.